We eject the SIM tray and the micro SD tray. We remove the back cover. We remove 2 screws. Now let's remove the metal bracket. To continue with the disassembly process, first of all we have to remove the battery flex. To loosen the adhesive, we use a contact cleaner or isopropyl alcohol. Here we have the motherboard flex cable. Using a plastic tool, let's remove the battery. In the description, I leave you the links of the tools and spare parts that we use. If you liked the video, don't forget the like. Thank you. Now we return with the assembly process. We have finished the assembly process.